Why does my car have white smoke coming out of the tailpipe? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, first of all, we're only going to talk about gasoline engines today, nothing else. And secondly, we're going to talk about under kind of normal conditions, not on a cold winter morning where you get a lot of steam out of the exhaust. So there's a couple of things that can get in your exhaust. Some cars can get transmission fluid, which will produce a white smoke. And that will come typically on older cars with what's called a vacuum modulator. If the diaphragm goes in bad in the vacuum modulator, it'll put transmission fluid in there and it'll cause it. You can get oil into the exhaust, and that can come from a couple of different things. It could be piston rings, could be all kinds of engine problems. It could also be from the PCV system, if you have a bad PCV valve or something like that. So white smoke can come from that. Third, it can be from water or coolant or what you would call antifreeze or whatever because of an internal engine problem like a head gasket or something like that. Now, if you watch closely and the smoke comes out and it dissipates quickly, then it's probably the antifreeze or coolant. If it kind of lingers, then it's probably some sort of an oil like the transmission fluid or the oil. It does take some experience and some knowledge on how to do different tests that I don't have time to go into everything this morning to determine it exactly for you, but hopefully at least this helps you understand a little bit of why you could have those kind of plumes coming out of your exhaust. If it is an oily substance, you should have some sort of odor as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.